Hi, this is Will from ProBackup, and in this video I will show you how you can backup your Airtable bases. As you can see here, I'm already logged into Airtable and I've created a small demo account with just a few files and comments and so on. To get started, you can click here on Extensions, then click on Add Extension, then you can search for ProBackup and click on Add Extension twice. Then if you click here, you will be redirected to your ProBackup account. If you don't have a ProBackup account yet, you will first need to create an account. In this case, I had already a ProBackup account active, so I'm logged in immediately to my account. Then to continue, you can click here on New App, and then click on Airtable. And this brings me to the first step of the onboarding process. In the first step, you will need to authorize ProBackup, so you can click here on Login with Airtable. And then you're redirected to a authorization page of Airtable. You will need to click here on Add Base, and here you can either select single bases or tables to include them to the backup scope, but you can also select the first option, which is all current and future bases and all current and future workspaces. So if you select that option, then whenever you add bases or workspaces to your Airtable account, then these will be automatically authorized for ProBackup and added to the scope of the backups. Then I click on Grant Access. And this brings me back to the onboarding process on the second step of the scopes page. Here you can deselect some bases if you would like to do so, but you can also leave everything checked. So I'll click on Continue to go to the third step. And here I have the option to sync my data backups to Google Drive. So what is this about? So when we backup your Airtable account, we do this automatically every 24 hours. And when we do that, we store all of this information with heavy encryption on our own servers. That's the first step. And then in the second step, you have the option to sync those data backups to your Google Drive folder. So in this case, we will create for each workspace and base a new folder. And then within each of these folders, we'll create Google Sheets for each of your data types, such as records, files, comments, and stuff like that. So if you'd like to learn more about this feature, then check out our YouTube channel. I will also link it in the description down below if you want to learn more about the Google Drive feature. I'll skip this for now, and then I'm already on the last step of the onboarding process. So as you can see, it's a very quick and light process. All I have to do now is click on Start Backup, and this will start my first Airtable backup. Depending on the size of your account, this can take up to a few hours. So if you have lots of files stored, then of course the first initial backup can take a bit of time to be completed. And as of this moment, there's nothing else that you need to do. So you started the first backup. And once this is complete, we will send you an email to notify you that all of your backed up data is accessible through your ProBackup account. And then from then on, every day, every 24 hours, we will back up all of the extra information from your Airtable account. So our system will check which records has been changed, created, or deleted, and then pull in that new version of your Airtable account to ProBackup. As you can see here, already some data is being pulled in from Airtable, so I can already probably go to records, backups, records, and see some of the records that are also stored in my account. If you wish to learn more about the functionalities of ProBackup, then I recommend to check out our YouTube channel, where you can find more tutorial videos on how to access your data, how to compare different versions, and also how to restore data back to your Airtable accounts. Alright, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.